Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other ratings included such as 2-inch lift kit, Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, sprayed bed liner, premium leather heated seats, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior with lots of paneling, cup holder storage at the bottom, equipped with a Bose speaker sound system. That's coming up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. And these black running boards here as well. These premium leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Very comfortable. Left side you'll have your vents, and down below you have your 2- and 4-wheel drive as well as drive mode selector and lighting controls. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. 2 matte black paddle shifters right behind. For the odometer, obviously you can see it's all digital here. You can pretty much access all your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges, your adaptive cruise, oil life, brake pad, again, like all the fun stuff, as well as music, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It'll be push to start, and moving on to the infotainment system. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps, as you can see here. Oh, there we go. You can also access your rear camera with hitch guidance, and as well as your hitch camera, and built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Amazon Alexa. Down below, with lane keep assist and auto stop, as well as your hill descent control, with more of that wood and chrome. And down below, you're going to have that brake controller with your dual zone climate control and 2 USB ports on the side. Of course, center console, lots of extra storage with a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports and an AC wall charger, lots of extra storage. Passenger side, manually adjustable, leather heated finish as well. That wood and chrome again, it's going to go across the dash, as well as you have some speakers and vents up top. Storage behind the infotainment system here. Then you can access your OnStar, your reading lamps, and as well as your rear sliding window. So you're going to use blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, the black Z71 badging, paint match mirror caps, and keyless entry door handle. Trail Boss badging in the back with the black corner step bumper and the dual chrome exhaust. Trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under. And into the back here, 2 LED lamps on each side, as well as an AC wall charger with around 12 bed tie downs. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. Paneling again on the bottom next to the cup holder storage, speakers, up at the power windows and the wood and chrome handle. Off the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports as well. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest. Storage behind the seats as well, and storage under. Lamps up top and the handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as trailer brake controller, Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, spray and bed liner, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.